Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy AI tools with QuickBooks, start by assessing your business needs. Identify specific areas where AI can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Research available AI tools compatible with QuickBooks. Choose a tool based on user reviews and functionality. Visit the official website of the selected AI tool for more information. Download the AI tool or access it online, depending on its availability. Open your QuickBooks application on your computer. Navigate to the Settings or Integrations section of QuickBooks. Look for options to add a new integration or app. Follow the prompts to integrate the selected AI tool with QuickBooks. Provide any necessary login credentials or authorization permissions. Customize the settings of the AI tool to align with your business workflows. Test the integration to ensure it works seamlessly with your existing data. Monitor the performance of the AI tool over the initial weeks. Gather feedback from team members on the effectiveness of the AI implementation. Make adjustments to the AI tool settings as needed to optimize its performance. Continuously evaluate the tool's impact on your QuickBooks operations. Stay updated with any new features or improvements released by the AI tool provider. Consider additional AI tools if new needs arise in the future. Ensure regular training for your team on how to utilize the AI effectively. Document your deployment process for future reference. Celebrate the enhanced efficiency that AI brings to your QuickBooks experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.